Hi, I'm Gunjan Singh. I am from 15-17 batch of IMI Kolkata, and I'm from Kolkata itself. Right now I'm in Delhi working as manager 2 in Flipkart. I'm here taking care of inbound, outbound and reverse logistics operations. So right from the start of taking products from the companies to getting it stored in my facility to dispatching it to the customer as per their orders, I take care of everything. And also in case if the order is not accepted or rejected, I take care of the reverse logistics part as well. Why IMI Calcutta? IMI Calcutta because the educational qualification of each faculty here is quite high, and the college has been ranked 42 also by NIRF. So the quality of education is very good here. Also, you get a lot of opportunity to be a part of clubs here. So clubs are something which actually teaches you a lot informally about things. So there are multiple clubs. During my time, there was Finastra, there was Bizoffers. So Bizoffers was actually launched by me. So it was launched by me because people there was not aware of the current happenings which were happening in different businesses. What is happening? Why the particular company is suffering from losses? What is the reason? How it could have been saved? So these things were actually a part of discussion in this club. So we used to have a session, weekly session. We used to call people. Then we used to teach them that okay, this has happened in this company, and this is the reason that this happened. We could have saved this situation by doing this. So different clubs are there. You get to know a lot about that. The college also gives you makes you industry ready. Like you need to be a part of multiple presentations, multiple group discussions. So because of that, you automatically get industry ready, because it's not only about numbers. Your soft skill also gets developed gradually, which actually helps in long term. Many different people from different states are coming to study here. So a diverse background is also here. So you get to interact with everyone. Everyone is having a different background, different mindset, different goals. So how you talk to them, how you convince them and get into your groups or maybe clubs or maybe presentations. So it actually gives you a good platform to be there. You are in one of your best phases of your life. So try making most of it. Try taking the complete utilization of your current situation and things. This will be remembered later. One advice which I would like to give to my juniors is that focus on building and managing relationships. So this will go a long way later. Work is not only about completing your task on time or the technical skills and everything. It is more about people management. The more people you know, the more you are able to get your things done will actually help you. As we know that management is actually the art of getting things done through the effort of others. So working on this skill will actually help you a lot. Later, you will be having your team members, your colleagues, your stakeholders, your managers. Everyone will have a different mindset. Everyone will have a different goal or different priorities. How you will take all of them on one platform and get your things done will actually define you, or will actually plan your growth later, that how far you will go. So work on this. College will actually provide you a stage for this, because all the students here is coming from different states, different mindset, different culture. So you already have audience and you can start working from today onwards on this skill.